Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, we are going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to go through major talking points and features of both interior and exterior, and then of course I'll go around, take a seat inside and just show you a little bit of the in-depth interior features, whilst also putting the roof up and allowing you to have a look at the vehicle with the roof all the way up. The vehicle itself is the 420D M Sport Convertible, presented in black sapphire metallic, also equipped with the full YNC Mperformance body styling kit, and we've also fitted the brand new 19-inch Mperformance style alloy wheels. At the front of the car, you will see it is a 2016 66 reg, also has the angel eye and xenon headlamps. Moving on down the side of the car, you'll be able to see it's got the gloss black air breathers along with the satin sidebars and the YNC Mperformance decals. And of course, whilst that roof's off, you'll be able to see there that very nice Oyster Dakota leather, which we'll move on and take a close-up look at now. So as you can see there, it's also equipped with the electric movement and memory option along with the heated front seats. And you'll see the interior trim is the very nice dark burr walnut with the silver trim accents. The rear seat configuration for the convertible matches the coupe and other variants for the BMWs by being the two-seat Isofix rear seat arrangement and the central folding armrest, and is a very comfortable place to sit whether you're sat in the front or rear, and is very nice and spacious. And of course, with that roof down, we've got a lot of headroom. Moving around towards the rear, where you will of course see again these brand new alloy wheels. Being all brand new, of course they are remarked. We've added the high gloss rear boot spoiler and satin rear diffuser. Now of course, often on convertible cars, the luggage capacity can be compromised within the boot, and of course when you've got that roof down, you do not always want to have to put it all the way back up to gain access to your full luggage capacity. But with the BMWs, there's no need to, as we can simply operate this little switch up here, and it will partly lift the roof back out of the storage tray to give you access to the luggage compartment. And then we lift this tray open, and there you can see it is a especially large boot space which goes all the way back to the rear seats. And as you can see, they're also provided the genuine BMW floor mats, which again all are very nicely presented. And we'll simply push this switch back down and everything folds nice and neatly back away, saving you having to put the roof all the way back closed. You can simply use this button, which BMW kindly provide. Moving around towards the other side of the car, again you'll see just how nice that black sapphire metallic really does work very nicely. And of course, having that roof open gives you a show of how well the interior and exterior colours do work together. Moving on inside, I'm of course going to go ahead, start the car up, and we'll get that roof beginning to close for you. Again, showing you off the memory settings. The vehicle also has the power fold mirrors equipped to the car. I'll start it up and we're greeted with the professional wide navigation and media screen. Down here is the control for the roof, and we simply push that forward and that'll begin to have the roof come and close for us. In the meantime, I'll show you around a few other features. The vehicle's covered just over 35,000 miles. Also has the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all situated on the multi-function M Sport steering wheel. In terms of your professional wide media and nav screen, and we're going to run through a couple of that features in a moment. Starting of course with the navigation view, and as you can see there also comes with the latest iDrive software, giving you access to the real-time traffic updates, keeping you on the fastest route possible. In terms of your communications menu, this is where you'll pair the devices for both telephone and of course multimedia purposes. And there you can see we've got DAB along with a wide array of other multimedia inputs such as music collection, AUX and USB inputs. Down here you'll find the dual climate control along with the switches for the heated seats. And if we go ahead and have a look at the service requirements and service history of this wonderful 420D M Sport Convertible, you'll be able to see it's not only due a service for 7,000 miles, it also comes equipped and has got full BMW service history as well. So with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you've enjoyed it and of course found it useful. I will now show you what the vehicle looks like with of course the roof fully closed. So there you can see whether the roof is up or down on the 4 Series convertible. They are magnificently good looking, and of course a very practical and potentially a car that you could use every day should you choose to. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Hopefully we'll see yourselves very soon, and hopefully you found this useful enough to make an informed purchasing decision upon your next car. Thank you guys, take care, see you soon, goodbye.